These are the list of supplies of the cement statue: the poly primer, spray paint, Rustoleum, Rustoleum clear satin sealer, small detail paintbrush, lemonade lid, mineral spirits or paint thinner.
Now here are the steps. The prime, you spray the statue with exterior poly primer and let it dry. Then you spray it with the Rustoleum color paint. Here is turquoise, that's your base color. Next you take a lemonade lid, and in the bottom, if you look inside the lid, there are two circles. You put the mineral spirits in the first circle, and then you spray paint into the lid your desired colors into the center circle, and then you blend the colors to get the colors you want. Example, like blue and red make purple. If you make purple, you will make sure that you have cleaned the lid to mix your next blend of colors. Then you're using a detail brush, and you put the little brush inside the lid where you have your blended colors. This gives you a lot of control over the color without using a great deal or many cans of spray paint. Now remember, the big thing is you don't have to use masking tape to do the details. And after you're finished, it's all dry. Then this is where you do the final. Next is the final sealer, which is Rustoleum clear satin sealer. Let it all dry. Assemble it after you find a location in your yard or wherever you want to put it, and enjoy. Children will love the enchantment of this little caterpillar.